welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing a chit chat get ready with me for the 4th of July. Obviously I am pre-filming this video because if I post it on the Tuesday after the 4th then it's kind of pointless because the 4th already passed, but if you're watching this on the day that it's uploaded, today is my boyfriend's birthday, so happy birthday Dustin, I love you. So as you can see, I look pretty rough right now, definitely not doing my best. Hopefully by the end of this video I'll look better since it is a get ready with me, so let's just get ready. Alright guys, so my hair looks absolutely crazy right now, but we'll get to my hair in a little bit. First I'm going to do my skincare routine, and obviously I'm going to be using my Duval Radiance Spin Care System. I am going to be honest with you guys, when I did the video about 2 weeks ago talking about this, I'd only been using the product for about 2 days. What I said to you, I still stick by. I still love this product, but I feel like I can give you a better review on it now than I did then. I've been using this for about 2 weeks now, and my skin looks so much better than it did the day that I, started using this. So I'll put some before and after pictures of my acne before I started using the product and like a week after I started using the product, and let me tell you, there's a pretty big difference. My skin is never going to be perfect, it's not perfect right now, but this has helped a ton. I really love it. If you guys use the link in the description box and you use code Tarrah70, you will get 70% off this product. It's originally a $95 product, and after shipping, taxes, and using code Tarrah70, you will be getting this product for $32.80. That's some crazy savings, so I definitely recommend going and getting it right now, but yeah, I'm not sponsored and the link's in the description box if you'd like to go get one. I'm coming up on my 1-year anniversary back on YouTube and my 1 year of being consistent and not missing a Tuesday upload, which is crazy insane. I just love YouTube. I'm so glad that I started it back again, and I can't believe I've been consistent, so congratulations to me. I haven't skipped a Tuesday this entire year, and I don't really plan on it, so we'll see. Okay, so now I'm gonna go rinse my face real quick and then we will start on my makeup. Alright guys, so for my skincare and makeup, I have been going pretty minimal in the summer just because it's like hot outside and I don't really like a ton of makeup on all the time, but since this is for 4th of July, I'm going to try a little bit harder. So basically I've been using just like sunscreen for skincare and maybe a little bit of like 𝘥𝘴𝘄𝘮𝘪 spray, and that's about it. And for makeup, been going pretty light, so let's just do skincare real quick. So what I've been doing is just going in with this sunscreen. It's just like a Walmart brand sunscreen. It's like a facial sunscreen. It has SPF 30 in it, and that's what I've been using every day just as a moisturizer. I know I'm supposed to be protecting my skin from the sun, but I'm not sure if it's good to do this every day, but I have been, and it kind of burns when you put it on a little bit. I honestly think it's helping my acne, which is really weird, but it has been, so whatever. So a little story time. I found a bird's nest, and we think that my cat killed the mom bird. So I was feeding them and, giving them water and blah, 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 and they were doing so good. They started like flapping their wings and everything and perching, and it was going really well. And then I woke up yesterday morning and they were all 3 dead. So I cried a lot. I called Dustin while he was at work and I was bawling my eyes out and I was so sad. I even named them. I named them tic-tac-toe because you couldn't really tell them apart. There's 3 of them, but they were so adorable and I really got attached to them. I was feeding them like every day for a week. I don't know, I get attached to stuff like that, and like just, it was really sad. I want to cry right now too, but anyways, that happened. Alright, skincare's done. That's just what I've been doing. It's been really simple, just sunscreen and 𝘥𝘴𝘄𝘮𝘪 spray, and that's it. And now we're gonna get on to my makeup. So for makeup, I've been going pretty minimal as well. I've usually just been doing like a little bit of concealer, not really doing foundation, but since it's the 4th of July, I'm gonna be doing a little bit of BB cream because it's pretty light and it has SPF in it, which I don't need the SPF because I just put that on, but you know what? We're gonna do it anyways. And yes, I'm playing with my fingers. Sorry if that makes you uncomfortable. So now I'm just blending that in with a beauty blender. Okay, so now I'm gonna just go in with a little concealer and cover up some problem areas. So I take a little bit of this powder and I just like go all over my face to just kind of make me a little bit more matte. So then I go in with some bronzer. This is just by Wet n Wild. Okay, so now I'm going in with blush. I kind of like looking like I'm a little bit sunburnt in the summer, so I do blush like where I normally do, and then I do a little bit on like the bridge of my nose. I don't do much to my eyebrows in the summer either. I don't fill them in too much, but if I have like a little bit of like empty spots, I just take a little eyebrow pencil and just kind of fill it in a little bit, but just not a lot. Hey guys, I just want to pop on here real quick and tell you guys that I am going to be answering questions that I got from my Instagram story in this video. I cut out the first question and where I was saying that like I was going to be answering questions, so that's why it doesn't make any sense that I say like I'm going to be answering another question, so yeah. Okay, so eyebrows are finished. I'm going to look at another question. Ooh, okay, this one's kind of juicy. It says, can you talk about your brand deals? Yes, I can. I am not, obligated to not talk about them, so I will talk about them. I've never had a sponsored brand deal yet, which means like I get paid a set amount of money for a set amount of posts and like stuff like that, or minutes in a video. I have had plenty of brands, reach out to me to send me like free products in exchange for some free advertisement, but I always tell them, like I preface it with like, if you know I don't like the product, I'm not going to talk about it, or like if I do talk about it, I'm not going to talk great about it, so that's your risk. Like if you want me to talk about it still, I will talk about it, but it's not going to be like in the best light, so I tell them like I might as well just like not talk about it on my channel. But that's just because I want you guys to trust me and trust what I'm telling you to be the truth. To name a few types of brand deals that I've done, or like PR stuff, I've been sent a free phone case in exchange for some advertisement. I've been sent a diffuser. I've been sent sunglasses that I didn't end up talking about because I did not like the way that the brand treated me. So I got free sunglasses, but they treated me very poorly, so I didn't talk about the sunglasses. I've been sent the skincare system, the spin care system that I showed you earlier. I've been sent a watch. I'm not gonna say the name. I mean, you can go find it on my channel, but I did not like the way that they treated me really either. They were very shady, I guess you could say. What else have I been sent? I have like a list of things that I've been sent, so let me just go read them off to you. Okay, I've been sent a phone case, a diffuser, a planner, the spin care system, a watch, sunglasses, and I think I have one more coming up, but I'm not going to say what it is yet just because like I'm not. But yeah, I mean, YouTubing definitely comes with perks, like being sent free products and like PR and stuff, but a lot of people don't understand like the business side of YouTube. They don't understand like how much work goes into the videos that I do. They just think that like the little things that I put in my videos is just like a tap of a button, and it's really not. That's really not how easy it is. It's, you create all your stuff, like all the little green screen things in my videos, and the PNGs and all the little, pop-up things that go in my videos. I create those all by hand myself. Like some of the PNGs I might get from Google, but then I put my own twist on them and stuff. But a lot of things that you see in my videos I've created like myself through like graphic design. So like it's not just something you could buy a software for and just like add it to it with like a tap of a button. It's really not that simple. It's a lot more work than what meets the eye, and that's really what I want to say. It's no shade about like oh, they think it's so easy and they try it, and it's not. Like, oh, my what I do is so hard. It's not that. It's just like you really don't understand what I do and how much work I put into it. Like videos for me, even like the most simple take me hours and hours and hours to edit, because I try to make everything that I do the best I can possibly make it. If you want to do YouTube, just know that it takes a lot of time, and if you don't have the time and you have, a job and school and all this stuff, like, don't do it. Like, you will not have time. You will disappoint yourself because you can do better than that, but you don't have the time to put into it. Also, another topic that I really want to touch on is basically people don't understand like why YouTubers are millionaires, why they make so much money, why they get sent free products. Like, why isn't that me? Why don't I get sent free products? Well, it's not just because it's hard. It's not just because editing is difficult. It's not just because like not me, but like bigger YouTubers are basically celebrities. It's not because of that. People don't understand why them, not me, make so much money, but you gotta think about it. Brands, they want you to advertise their products. If they did it through regular commercial advertising, they have to pay directors, producers, studios. They have to pay for the lighting, they have to pay for the camera equipment, they have to pay for props, studios, sets, the actors, actresses, everything like that. They have to pay for all of that. And that's, just on top of what they have to pay to get the advertisement edited and put onto TV. I'm probably off on the numbers, but I know that one like 30-second commercial for Super Bowl is worth millions of dollars just to get it on the air. You wonder, like, why does a YouTuber get paid $1,000, $5,000, or $10,000 to, make a video about a product or about a brand? Think about it in the way that a Super Bowl commercial costs like millions of dollars to produce and direct and get on the air and make possible. Think about it that way. Brands are getting off very cheap in the way that they pay us. And also, YouTubers and social media influencers are worth so much more than a commercial. We have a personal connection with our viewers, and commercials don't do that. If you're watching, the Super Bowl and you see a Mountain Dew commercial, you're not gonna go out to the store and buy Mountain Dew. But if you see, while you're watching one of my videos or a big YouTuber, you're, scrolling on Instagram and they say like, swipe up to buy this, I love it, you know what I mean? You can swipe up and purchase. You can't do that with television, and you don't really want to because it's just a corporate advertisement. When I advertise something, it's more of like a personal connection, like, oh wow, she likes it, she's a real person, I will buy it from her. And that's what a lot of people don't understand about YouTube and about influencers in general, is that we are pretty valuable in comparison to commercial advertisement. Alright, so that was a really long rant. I just finished and did my highlight and just put some chapstick on. So let's head to the bathroom to do my hair, which is gonna be a task because it's not looking too good right now. Look at how crazy my hair is. I don't know why it's this crazy. Probably because I slept in like a wet bun last night. It's literally like insanely frizzy and big and curly, and I don't know what to do with it. Okay, so it looks okay, like the straightener curls, but I'm going to start curling with the curling wand on the back just because I think it looks better that way. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the video right here so I can finish curling my hair because it might take me a little bit, and then I will meet you back in my room for my outfit. Alright guys, so this is the romper I was talking about. It is so cute, so comfortable. I got it at Belk's on like the clearance rack. I think it was like $15 or something. It was an absolute steal. Now I think it's just time to get my like accessories and shoes on, and then I think we're done with this video. Alright guys, so that is it for this chit chat. Get ready with me for the 4th of July. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I had such a fun time filming it, like I always say. I really hope you guys, you know, have a great 4th of July with your families and are having a great summer so far. I have some really cool videos coming up. I'm about to go film one right now, and then I'm filming a weekly vlog in like 2 weeks or so. That'll be really fun. Yeah, I hope you guys will stick around for that by subscribing if you're not already, and I would love to have you here. So with all that being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye guys!
Keep me where the light is, keep me where the bright is.